Hi, this is Doreen with WTI. I was looking for the perfect three-piece suit for my husband that didn't require any tailoring. And this YFFUSHI three-piece suit provided just that. I love the vest that comes with this suit because it is a 4-button vest. The material of this suit is just beautiful. It is high-end and well made. My husband loves this suit because it is super comfortable and he looks amazing when wearing it. It is a perfect fit for him and nothing had to be altered or changed. He wore it right out of the bag. The vest of the suit also has the adjustable buckle on the back, so you could tighten and loosen it as needed. This suit is single-breasted suit with a single button. The vest also has 2 pockets as well as the suit, and the material feels really nice. It is beautifully lined and my husband loves it. And that is my point of view.